Do you want to know how you can delete your Tubi TV account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your account of Tubi TV permanently. Go to tubitv.com and then go to your profile. Go to account settings and scroll down in the profile section. You can see delete my account. You can click on it and you can go ahead and specify the reason. After specifying the reason, if you hit submit, your account will be deleted. Now let me show it to you again. Go to your account settings in your profile and then scroll down. Now click on delete account. After you click on delete account, you must now specify the reason and then click submit. Now write down your password and click delete. Congratulations, you have just deleted your Tubi TV account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.